What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And today's video is really exciting because I'm going to be doing the first giveaway announcement for January for those of you that have signed up to my Patreon account. If you guys don't know or are new to the channel, I just launched a Patreon account this past January, and it's a month in now, and it's $5 to become a channel supporter every month. And with those $5, I'm able to give back to you guys a little more than I would have with just the small YouTube channel earnings that I get. So this month I'm giving, for month of January, I'm giving away $50 Visa gift card. And so one of the lucky 8 people that signed up will be getting it. So that's right, I have 8 people signed up for the month of January. And ultimately, guys, the goal is to be able to get 1,000 Patreons so that we can give away this beautiful 03 Mach 1 Mustang that I brought back to life and restored. So right now we are at 8 Patreons, which is amazing for the first month. Really excited, really happy, and I hope that this keeps on growing. But like I mentioned, this beautiful Mach 1 Mustang, it is an 03 Mach 1 manual. The only way you should really be getting these. Alright guys, so just to give you guys a little more details on what this car has and what you could possibly be looking at getting once we reach the 1,000 subscribers. This is a 03 Mach 1 Mustang. It basically has all new drop springs, spring isolators, the new SVE Cobra style wheels with the bigger lip in the back. It's got a full paint correction and brand new all blacked out headlights, new smoked out fog lights, the new lip in the front. It's got the empty hollow out grille in the front, brand new black matte stripes on both the side and on the side. You can't really see it, detail shop, paint shop, but it's got the shaker hood. The car itself is pretty much all original. It's got headers, looks like, I believe, a tune, and that is about it. And if we go into the inside of the car, you'll notice, I mean, it is pretty clean. Still got the original 6 CD changer. It has an aftermarket Cobra style shifter. But other than that, I mean, it is pretty good condition for the year that it is. The seats are a little worn, but they're not ripped. They're just kind of worn down. It has 135,000 miles, but I mean, you wouldn't be able to tell from the work that I did to kind of detail this thing. It's got the matte black wing, all the badges, the chrome Mustang lettering there. I might update and do the new exhaust tips. These are kind of small and just kind of worn out, so I might get that upgraded here in the next months. But other than that, guys, beautiful car, and I'm sure whoever wins this is gonna have an amazing car to drive. This thing drives beautifully. I mean, just an amazing car. So make sure you join that Patreon account, and I can't wait to get to 1,000 Patreon account subscribers so that I can go ahead and give this to one of you lucky guys. But in the meantime, I'm going to be giving away every month something, $50 gift cards as the account grows. If we're at 300, 400 Patreons, I can give away even bigger stuff like a $500 gift card or multiple $500 gift cards. So for the month of January, right now, we have 8 people, and we're only going to be giving away one $50 gift card. So let's go to the laptop and see who the lucky winner is going to be. Okay guys, so here are the names of those that signed up, and you see we've got Ace, Andy, Cynthia, Koshesi, Gregory, Jose, Lloyd, and Xavier. So you guys see you have your names from 2 to 9, and so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Safari. As you guys can see, it is closed, hasn't been opened. We're gonna open it up. We're gonna go to random.org, the random.org true number service. So here we go. So we are at random.org, and what we're gonna do is change this from 2 to 9. Now I'm gonna hit the number 3 times, and the third number that comes out that'll be the winner. So it won't be the first one, it won't be the second one, but the third one will win a $50 gift card. So let me actually try to minimize this and we can see side by side. Here we go. So we'll see the names and the numbers here, and we've got the minimum from 2 to 9. So number 1 is a 2. So remember, it's the third one. Number 2, 2 again. Man, let's see the third one. Third one is 9. So result is 9 for the third random generated. So Xavier Wilson. Xavier Wilson. Congratulations, Xavier Wilson. You just won yourself a $50 Visa gift card. So I'll be getting in touch with you through Patreon. So make sure you check your messages on Patreon so that I can get a address and all that and be able to ship that out to you. So again, congratulations, man. This is the first month and I can't wait to really give back much more to you guys. I'm really excited, and I guess just a little update on the car. I'm still working with insurance. It's still damaged, so this stuff's gonna take a little while, but hopefully we can get that back up and running.